Guys, so I'm using my Canon ZR200 because this doesn't give me access errors like my DCR DVD 101 is. So right now it's pretty windy out here. January 7th, 2025. This is the day after we got some snow. See, there's still snow on the ground here. And there's snow like still some on the trees, like here. This camera has a pretty good zoom. See, there's still snow on the ground in these areas. I shoveled the driveway yesterday. It's pretty windy out here today. And cold. So I don't have much time on this tape left. Like, it's right now 17 minutes. Yeah, it is pretty windy. There have been some strong gusts. Let's take a look at some of the snow here. So I'm surprised to find that there are no like ice crystals hanging from my roof. Another wind gust. There's like a lot of wind out here today. So, yeah, man, it's cold out here. I'm pretty cold. Pretty windy, but not too windy. Now there's blowing snow. I don't want to get that on my camera. Yeah, I don't know if I put a mark on the lens and we just wipe that. So, just notice this, like, there's an ice crystal here, dangling from the chair. That's so strange. So yeah, here we have, not a whole lot of ice, but there's quite some slush. Wow, look at the snow blowing off the tree. Yeah, it's pretty windy. Yeah, you can definitely see the slush on the ground. I mean, like, let's look for ice. I don't know if there's ice anywhere yet. I think there's some ice down here. Yeah, but all this here is slush. And snow. think on the roads there might be a bit of ice. But it's mostly slush. This might be ice. No, that's slush. There might be a bit of ice here though. Oh yeah, look, there's ice on the ground. Look here, this is a chunk of ice. Oh yeah, another one. Hold on, let me warm my hands. My hand is freezing. If I wear gloves, if I want to do that. It's on top of this trash can. A lot of ice down here. Usually occurs on the coldest surfaces. So yeah, like plastic, like trash can, or the road, of course. This is like ice and slush. I'm not going to pick up any more snow or ice because my hand's freezing. But yeah, I think that'll probably be it for this video. With this camera, it does take longer to upload videos, but it is better at reading tape than my camera is at reading discs. My VCR DVD 101. So yeah, it's cold. It's super cold out here. Those trees blowing around. Over here too. But it's easier to tell over here because those trees there are a bit darker. I gotta go inside, my hands are freezing. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed, and that'll be it for this video. I'll see you later. I just wait for this next wind gust to pass. Right, see you guys later.